Are you feeling a bit beat up by this world? Me too. But you know what you do when you get beat? Watch this. You get right back up and you get back to life, because I know you can. I've done it in my life. Great challenges. And I know everybody out there has similar, if not even greater challenges than myself. So get back out to life. Don't give up on yourself. Allow yourself a couple of hours to whine and complain, and then get back to it. That's quality. Have a great day, everyone. Bye. Mwah.